Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today in this video guys I am going to do a quick unboxing of this Audio-Technica turntable. If you are an audiophile or love the uncompressed music, this is something for you guys. For the people who do not like the compressed music which is streamed over online, or even you download the MP3 files which are also compressed guys, you lose a lot of sound and music details in those audios. If you want to listen something which is original with all the sounds without compression, this is the thing that you want to use. This is an Audio-Technica turntable. Model number is AT-LP60XBT. This is a red model. So this is an automatic Audio-Technica turntable. I am going to do a quick unboxing on this channel and I am going to tell you all the specifications and features of this turntable. So guys, ensure that you watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on any important information or instructions that I have to share. Before we move further guys, if you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Let's get started. Before we start with the unboxing guys, let us see what are the details or information present on this box. This is a wide huge box that it comes with. On the top of the box you can see here you have an Audio-Technica branding. This is made by Audio-Technica, whose headquarters is in Japan, and it is manufactured or fabricated in China. At the bottom of the box guys you can see it is a Bluetooth model, so you can connect this Audio-Technica turntable to your Bluetooth devices and you can play the music wirelessly. The model number of this turntable is AT-LP60XBT. So this is a newer model of this turntable. So the BT signifies that it is a Bluetooth model. So it comes with an inbuilt Bluetooth so as to be able to connect this Audio-Technica turntable wirelessly to any Bluetooth devices that you have in your home. This is fully automatic wireless belt drive turntable. The motor of this turntable is onto the side here guys, and the turntable is rotated using the bell, which is why this is a belt drive turntable. It is automatic because guys you don't have to place the needle onto your disc or the vinyl that you have which you are going to play. As soon as you hit on the play button, this head of this turntable is going to move onto your vinyl and start playing music. So which is why it is called fully automatic. And then you have two ways to connect. Here as you can see it is wireless using the Bluetooth, and you can also connect using an RCA cable that comes along with it guys. So it has an inbuilt amplifier which also amplifies the sounds, and you can connect it directly to the speakers using the RCA cable, or you can use in a line mode guys where you can hook this up to an external amplifier and amplifies the sound, and then you can play it through the speakers. So either way guys, you have three ways to connect. One is wireless and there are two ways to connect it via wired connection. Now let us see on the sides what do you have. On the side guys you do not have anything more other than Audio-Technica branding and the logo. On this side as well guys you have some of the barcode and the label information and the model number and the picture of the turntable. On the other side as well guys it is the same thing, model number, Bluetooth and the branding, and the fourth side as well the same thing. Now let us see on the back what does it has. On the back side guys you have some of the pictures on the top, and the bottom you have the instruction on basic connectivity via Bluetooth and RCA cable that it says, and then it says that it can also connect to your wireless headphones, your wireless speaker and wired speaker, and also you can connect it to an amplifier, external amplifier, and then you can play the music using this turntable. Here it says it is fully automatic wireless drive belt, connect wirelessly to other speakers, compatible with your aptX codec, fully automatic operation with 2 speeds, 33 and 1/3 and 45 RPM, anti-resonance, die-cast, aluminum platter, redesigned tone arm base and head shell for improved tracking and reduced resonance, integral Audio-Technica dual moving magnet phone cartridge with replaceable diamond stylus, built-in switchable phono preamplifier for phono or line-in level output. It includes the detachable RCA cable, output cable which is 3.5 mm male to dual RCA male, 45 RPM adapter, and a removable hinged dust cover. So this is what is there in the content of the box guys. So this is all what you have on the top side of the box. Let's quickly open the box and see the contents inside. Let's open the box. So when you first open the box guys, this is what you see inside the box. On top side you have the user manual and the guide and your 45 RPM adapter that it comes with. as I'm going to do another video guys on how to set up this Audio-Technica and connect it to your Bluetooth and play the music. So if you want guys, you can go through this manual. I'm going to keep this aside for now. As you can see guys, this is the main equipment itself. It comes with the foam padding on the sides, and there is a anti-scratch cover which is there on the top, so as to prevent your equipment from damage and shock and also scratches. Now let us remove the content from the box and see inside. On the sides guys, you have some of the equipment. So this is the first box that it comes with. I think this is the power adapter. Then you have the RCA to 3.5mm jack cable. Let's remove this. On the back side guys, you have the turntable plate guys. So now let us deattach the turntable plate first. This is packed in with the tapes so that it does not move. Let us remove the tape and keep that aside. This is the turntable and your width along with the turntable mat. So I will keep that aside for now as well. And this is your turntable itself. Now remove the foam padding. This is your turntable. There is nothing more inside the box guys, so I will keep the box aside. Now let us look at each of the components one by one. So first thing is the power adapter that it comes with. Now let us open the power adapter and see what is inside. So as you can see guys, this is the universal power adapter that it comes with. So on this side, this is the jack which power goes on to the back side of your turntable to power it up. This is the power adapter that it comes with. It has a removable head for the universal usage. So you press this and you can remove this. So depending upon the location that you are available, you will be supplied with a different top head, or you can buy it separately from Audio-Technica depending upon the location or region if you want to change the region. So this is removable, so only you need to buy the top head or adapter. Rest all comes, you can reuse the power adapter whenever or wherever you want to go. So this is how it is. So this is how you remove and reattach the front side of the power adapter. So guys, as per the power rating goes, this is a 12-volt power adapter. As I told you guys, this is a universal power adapter, so it takes input of 100-volt AC to 220-volt AC, so it can be used in North America or Asia or any other place in the world guys. You don't need to change the adapter. It is ready to be used in anywhere as long as you buy a universal plug which you can plug it in and you can start using this turntable anywhere. This is a 12-volt half ampere adapter, so it uses around 6 watt of energy every hour whenever you use this turntable using this adapter. So this is how you power this up. Let's keep the power adapter aside for now. This is the RCA cable that it comes with. This is 3.5mm male to 2 male RCA cable. So this is pretty short cable guys. It is not that long, but since it is detachable, you can use any of this kind of wire that you can buy on Amazon or anywhere else to replace this wire, or you can use an extension cable to extend this RCA ports. So this is around 1 meter of cable that it comes with. Using this cable guys, you connect your Audio-Technica turntable using the wired connection to your external speaker guys. So I will keep the wire aside for now as well. This is the mat guys that it comes with. This is the turntable mat that it has. It is properly secured onto this cardboard. Now let us remove and unbox this. Let's remove the cardboard. This comes under this nice packing. This is the Audio-Technica mat. As you can see guys, here you have the Audio-Technica branding and the logo. Earlier guys, older model, you have a very prominent Audio-Technica logo. Here they have reduced it to a very small, nice and smart looking logo guys. So this is the mat that it comes with. That is what you have to put it over the turntable, and then you place your vinyl over this one to play your records. So this is very smooth and soft, so I don't think it is going to harm or damage your vinyl, and also it prevents your vinyl to have the static charge onto your vinyl and prevents it from being damaged. So this is the must use accessories guys, so please make sure that you use this carefully. I will keep that aside for now as well. This is your turntable itself guys. This is the aluminum die cast turntable that it comes along with. Earlier guys, it was a different model, a different way of manufacturing this turntable. Now guys, this is one die cast, so there are no joints and anything, so it is made from a die and it is cast directly as one piece. At the bottom guys, you can see here you have the belt around, and then on the top guys you have a ribbon so as to pull this belt and put it over to the motor whenever you install this turntable. I will show you in second guys how to install this base plate over to your turntable and see how to put the belt over your motor guys. So this is one die cast guys. As you can see, this is made very rigidly. It is lightweight guys and it is very well built. So this is the mat guys, that is what you put over this one, and then you use the vinyl like this after you install this plate over to your turntable, and then you can put this mat to start using your vinyl. So I will keep the plate aside as well. Now guys, let us unbox the main equipment itself. So it comes with this plastic packing, and then there is a foam packing inside to prevent it from the scratches and damages during the transport. I will remove the plastic covering first, and this comes with the top foam cover. As you can see guys, this is to prevent it from damage or anything for your top cover that it comes with. As you can see guys, there is the plastic cover or the dust cover that is on the top side of your turntable is protected using this foam cover guys, so as to prevent it from scratches. So this is the top cover guys that it comes with, that you can install over your turntable. This is your turntable itself. This is your head which moves over to your vinyl and then plays the music, captures the sound. Here you can, using this manual switch, you can select between the 7-inch vinyl to 12-inch vinyl. Here you can see, here you have the motor guys, here onto which you will put onto the belt. As you can see guys, there are two sides. You can see the same thing that is going to move, but here you can see it is marked clearly with the golden color. So this is the motor guys that runs. So you have to put on the belt onto this side, not onto this side. This is your central pin guys. That is where your turntable goes. On the side guys, you can see there are few switches. These are the manual operated switches guys. It is also redesigned for you guys so as to give the better performance. This is the speed selector switch guys that you can use to switch between the 33 rpm to 45 rpm. This is your start, this is your stop, and this is for your manual operations, for lifting your head from the vinyl and then putting it manually down. On the front side as well guys, here you can see you have the Bluetooth button. So whenever you press and hold, this will start blinking and it will become in the pairing mode, and then you can pair any of the external Bluetooth devices to connect with it guys. I'm going to show you guys how to connect this turntable using this Bluetooth connection as well guys. So ensure that you stay tuned to my channel so that you do not miss out on my future videos. Now let us see at the back side guys, what are the connections available. So here you can see guys, here you have the 12-volt DC input, and then you have an analog output, and then the selector switch that you can select using the line mode or the phono mode. Line mode means you are going to use the internal inbuilt amplifier to amplify the sound, or phono mode that will give you the raw sound output that you can input to your external amplifier and amplify it using external amplifier and play the sound. So this is what you have on the back side guys. As you can see guys, at the bottom you have the rubber based padding at the bottom so as to prevent it from any movement or shock or vibrations for the location which you are going to put. So this is also something really nice that they have made. So these are the physical specifications of this turntable guys. Now let us assemble this quickly. So guys, to start with the assembling of this turntable, first thing you need is your turntable base plate. So this is the plate that you want to put. Here on the center you have the hole that is you need to align with the center pin that it has. Then the red ribbon marked hole that you need to put is need to be aligned with this golden pulley that is there on the turntable. So this is how you want to install it, like this exactly. So here you can see guys, my ribbon is pointing to this golden pulley and my center is matching on to the center pin of the turntable. Now gently remove the tape from the ribbon. Ensure that guys your ribbon does not get loose, so hold it with your one hand and then gently remove the tape. And then now need to hold the ribbon, both side of the ribbon tightly, and then pull it so that the belt is bypassing the pulley and it is over to the pulley. Once it is over to the pulley, you can remove this ribbon. As you can see guys, my belt is correctly put onto this pulley. Now you need to rotate this turntable at least 5 to 7 times so as to ensure that there is no bend or turn on this belt and it is moving smoothly. As I can tell you guys, this turntable is moving very smoothly. There is no vibration and there is no hiccups. If you see your turntable is not moving smoothly and you are hearing some of the sound at the time of moving, this is guys because your belt is not put correctly onto your pulley. If your belt is turned and it is not in the correct direction or it is twisted, you will hear some crackling sound at the time of turning this turntable. As of now guys, I do not hear anything here, so my turntable is correctly installed. On to this guys, now next thing that you need to do is put on turntable mat that it comes with. So this is how you place it. Match the center hole with Audio-Technica mat and then place it over to this base table. So this is how you install your base plate over to your turntable. Now guys, let us install the top side cover as well. Here you can see guys, here you have some of the plates that is coming out, and on the top side cover guys, you see here you have some of the space here, so you need to match the space that it has on the top cover to these plates and then push it inside so that these plates are inside this holes that are made, and this is how you install your top side cover. Now you can close the box. This is the dust cover that it comes with. So guys, I highly recommend to use this dust cover at the time of playing, because as you can see guys, even in the normal environment there is a lot of dust that it accumulates and it captures. It is made out of plastic, so it captures a lot of dust with your hand and your environment and the air. So ensure that guys, you always use this dust cover at the time of playing so as to prevent damage to your vinyl by accumulating the dust, so that you don't have to clean the vinyl or the equipment as frequently as required, but then also prevents it from damages and scratches by cleaning again and again. This is it guys, this is the unboxing of this Audio-Technica turntable. I will be doing another video guys on how to connect it to the Bluetooth speaker, how to do the connections and everything, and I will also show the sound quality and how it plays and everything. So for all those features, I will do another video for you guys so as to explain those details. So this is it. This concludes the unboxing of this Audio-Technica turntable. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please do not forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions or comment, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer as soon as possible. If you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching, and clear skies.